Welcome to the Guide to Revolut Stock Trading, a comprehensive tutorial that will walk you through the process of buying and selling stocks using the Revolut platform. To get started, you will need to download the Revolut app and create an account. Once you have set up your account, navigate to the Invest section of the app where you can browse a wide range of stocks and exchange-traded funds. To begin trading, you will need to fund your account. You can do this by transferring money from your bank account or using a debit card. The minimum amount required to start investing is $1, making it accessible to everyone. Revolut also offers commission-free trading, meaning you will not be charged any fees when you buy or sell stocks. When selecting stocks, it is essential to do your research. Look at the company's financial health, market trends, and potential for growth. You can use the Revolut app to browse stocks by category, such as technology or healthcare, or search for specific companies. You can also set up price alerts to notify you when a stock reaches a certain price. Once you have selected the stock you want to buy, simply click on the Buy button and enter the amount you want to invest. You can choose to invest a fixed amount of money or a specific number of shares. Revolut also offers a feature called fractional shares, which allows you to buy a fraction of a share if you cannot afford to buy a whole one. When it comes to selling stocks, the process is just as simple. Navigate to the Invest section of the app, select the stock you want to sell, and click on the Sell button. You can choose to sell a specific number of shares or the entire holding. The proceeds from the sale will be transferred back to your Revolut account. To manage your portfolio effectively, it is crucial to diversify your investments. This means spreading your money across different asset classes and sectors to minimize risk. Revolut offers a range of tools and features to help you track your investments and make informed decisions. You can view your portfolio in real time, and the app will provide you with regular updates on market news and trends. In conclusion, Revolut stock trading offers a simple and accessible way to invest in the stock market. With commission-free trading, low minimum investment requirements, and a user-friendly app, it is an excellent platform for both beginners and experienced investors. By following these steps and doing your research, you can start building a diversified portfolio and achieving your investment goals.